Keeping your budgets inside QuickBooks Online is perfect for tracking daily data. But when it's time to head into an executive meeting, review your goals with a financial advisor, or share files securely with a stakeholder, you need a physical printout or a clean, locked-down digital document. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your 2026 budget layout into a beautifully formatted, presentation-ready PDF report that you can print or email in just seconds. Let's dive in. To get to our document hub, let's use the fastest search bar shortcut available. Move your cursor all the way up to the top center of your screen, click inside the master search box, and type Budgets. When the System Navigation dropdown expands below, click right on the Budgets menu option to land straight on your master grid workspace. Once your dashboard workspace loads, look down through your grid list to locate the specific budget file you want to take offline and click on it. Once your full budget spreadsheet layout pulls up on screen, look over at the top right header area, you will find Export/Print option. Click on it and select Print/Save as PDF. Now you have a polished financial layout that's ready for any presentation or digital archive. If this quick print and export guide cleared up your workflow today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.